Hello, guys. I hope you are all well. Guys, I bought this cardigan few years back. I like this because its color is so beautiful and it's typical summer cardigan. But as you know, today it was very hot in UK, and when I went out and worn this, uh, thought that I should cut its cuffs that are too long, and I was feeling hot. So I came back home and I have cut the sleeves, I should say the cuffs. And then I decided to make the trim with crochet. So I'm making it now. I hope you will like it because I had this matching thread. I think this is yarn. So I'm trying this and I think this will look beautiful. I will try a very simple stitch, single crochet stitch, because the cardigan is so delicate, so maybe the heavy work will not suit that. It is looking so beautiful because the yarn is matching color and the color is quite typical lemon, very sweet color. So let's see what happens. I have just opted just single crochet trim and it is looking amazing. It seems I have just bought the cardigan. It looking so beautiful. Look at that. This is so simple, but it is looking so beautiful. It seems my cardi is quite new. Thank you for watching.